Improving home automation security. Team members are Eben Peter, Alan Jose, Daniel Paul, and Harikrishnan Menon. Project guide is Dr. Jyotish K. John. Our project looks at the importance of modern smart homes and security issues that are associated with it. For that, we have proposed a two-stage verification process which consists of device fingerprinting and geolocation. So we all know what a smart home is. A smart home is basically an application that helps us control various appliances over the internet using this system. But various researchers have shown that there are many vulnerabilities in it, and privacy is one of the most important one. Convenience of access is the number one priority when it comes to a smart home. Everybody wants to be able to control any devices of their home, sitting at home or either in any place in the world. And that is the main aim when it comes to home automation system. A modern smart home must also identify, alert, and prevent an intrusion attempt at home. When it comes to the implementation, the first step was to create an Android application, and this application is used to control the login, which is the two-stage verification, which is the device fingerprinting and the geolocation, and also to be able to control the various devices in the household. When we look at a device in any of the rooms of our household and we are able to control it in the application, we just simply need to switch it on or off. So when we switch on a device, it goes from control signal goes from 0 to 1, which was 0 is off and 1 is on. And that software will be continuously reading the data to see if there's any change in the control ID. The user can use login credentials or fingerprint of the device to gain access. Client devices are in a database called the whitelist, which is valid users, and there's also a blacklist which is filled with unauthorized users or malicious devices. Here we can see a few images. The second one shows the application asking for a fingerprint, and the third showing the devices in off state in one of the bedrooms in the application. There was an emulated software that needed to be used to show the working of the entire system, and in which we made a blueprint model of an entire house and with each room and some devices listed in the room. As we can see here, we can see 2 rooms, and we can also see some devices in it. In the application, as soon as we switch on a device, since the software is continuously reading the data, we can see it showing in the emulator that the devices were switched on. Here we can see a light bulb and a television. Our result was successful when we tried to use it with 4 devices, and we were also able to display the rooms and the devices. We were also able to control those devices which were in the rooms via the emulator. To conclude, the device fingerprinting along with the username and password based security which was used in this was able to verify the user as well as the device used to access the home, which was a much significant improvement to previous systems. And the algorithm which we used was able to uniquely identify 97% of the devices on vigorous testing and experimentation. Thank you.